Elon Musk's AI company could bring in billions, secure 500 million in commitments from investors toward 1 billion goal. Now, this wasn't confirmed. Elon Musk confirmed this was actually fake news, and there has been talks of actually valuating their company first, which is huge, huge news for anyone interested in crypto. Because with AI, there's literally everything possible. There's possible to lower the demand for jobs, to equate what's good and what's not. AI is going to possibly change the world and we're seeing such a massive, massive improvement towards what exactly is going on with AI. In November 2023, Musk AI mentioned that equity investors in X could get a 25% ownership and stake in XAI. So this could potentially compete with ChatGPT. And also, Elon Musk is pretty crypto friendly even during the bear markets. And that's where these coins really have a potential. They invested 10 billion in X. They are invited to invest at least 2.5 billion in XAI. And everybody wants in. Again, this got posted on the cryptocurrency news because this is going to be the big news for crypto once we see it. This is going to be amazing, amazing news for anyone interested. But I will keep you guys updated on more on that. But I did want to say that some people were saying that they got a 500 million out of 1 billion valuation. And he said that's not true. Basically, they're trying to get valued and maybe be worth even $15 billion. Now, that's a lot of money. But I will say this. There has been so much positive excitement towards the last 2 days in crypto that it really makes you think where the stop is going to be. To me, it does seem like that we are just getting started at the big levels of the markets. So to me, that is absolutely unbelievable what we're seeing right now. And I will keep you guys up to date with more content like this. If you guys want, be sure to smash that like button. Peace out. Let's talk about Ethereum 2.0 and liquid staking on Bybit. If you want a $30,000 reward bonus, link in the description below. We already have 12 traders at the moment, which is absolutely amazing. What's happening, you guys? Let's talk about Lido staking. You can actually earn money on Bybit. Again, it's on the exchange. So I don't think Bybit is going anytime soon because they literally have unlimited money. But we're going to be talking today how you can actually stake your Ethereum on simple exchanges. I know it's very hard for a lot of people to do the opposite. Ethereum 2.0 liquid staking, and while the rewards might be up to 7%, they're usually much lower than that, and they're currently 3.6 because so many people are staking. Again, the more people that stake, the more it's going to be expensive, and that's where the real factor comes in for a lot of these holders in that sense. So that being said, you can actually click just here, stake now, and you can see I only have a little amount of ETH. So you need a minimum of 0.1 ETH, which is what, $200. I think, yeah, otherwise, you're not getting any rewards at all. It's 3.28% right now. Of course, if you stake with Lido directly, you do get different rewards, so that's a difference. Here, what we have right now, what a lot of people don't know is STETH. Is it same as Ethereum? No, it's slightly different, but this doesn't mean it's a bad thing, for example. In just that sense, it's not as strong. So in case that this crashes, you can still replace it. It's basically staking on your behalf because Ethereum is proof of stake, and you can actually check more on that, on how and what Ethereum has changed. I'll keep you guys updated with that as well. There's been a lot of stuff changing in the past few days. But the most important factor here is Ethereum has been seeing price growth, and that is because a lot of people from Ethereum are coming back. They're coming back to Ethereum itself. So that to me is a very huge factor we did not see before. And that's definitely very exciting news if you ask me. But that being said, you can stake ETH for STETH, then you earn your daily yield, and you can unstake anytime. So they do take a small fee, I think, if you go under frequently asked questions. What are benefits? You can basically get... So there are risks. Of course, nothing is free in today's world, but it's a very good example overall. It's like a pretty decent start, in my opinion. And that's the good news about it. Like right now, a lot of stakers are coming back in that fact. And that is really, really cool, right? So that being said, personally, what I do think will happen with ST-ETH is a very simple thing, and that is that ST-ETH right now is basically rising at a level unlike anything before. We never saw so many stakes ever in crypto history, and we're finally seeing, this improvement that was unlike anything ever before again. And that is the big thing about it. So that's why most people are going to this ST staking right now. But if you guys want to be kept up more to date with content like this, I'll be keeping you up to date with content. And be sure to smash that like button. And until next time, peace everyone. Staking on exchanges, yes or no? Be sure to smash that like button, and I will keep you guys updated with more updates today. Most people are staking with Lido DAO, and I'm going to be explaining why exactly and what are the benefits of staking on it. Are there any counterproductive points of staking? So there are risks when staking, but again, Lido is being used by all the exchanges. So if we're potentially going to be seeing Lido crashing, like in that sense, this could be catastrophic for Ethereum, could be seeing like a 20% drop. And Lido is not really the same as Terra Luna Classic. So should you be staking your crypto on exchanges? And I'm talking about anything. I'm talking about Matic. I'm talking about Solana. I'm talking about Ethereum. We're going to look at Ethereum's point this way because I feel like it has the most mainstream thing. And if you guys haven't already, be sure to smash that like button and use the link in the description below for a $30,000 reward bonus. Yeah, $30,000. You heard right. That's amazing news overall. But we got to look at what potentially is happening here with crypto, and is this sustainable long term? Now, that's a big question a lot of people have, and will probably have for the foreseeable future. What I do feel like is that most people don't realize that crypto right now is still in fairly early stages. So again, tons of good news, tons of good content inbound, and for a lot of people, they still haven't realized the potential of staking. And 25% of all stakers stake on Lido. Actually, 25% of Ethereum owners stake, and about 33% of that is on Lido. So I want to be correct here, factually. And the more important thing here is most people are playing for the long term. They're not stopping now. They're not stopping tomorrow. And to me, that's the real excitement that we are seeing. Like so many people coming back to Lido and staking. Now, should you stake? There are risks. There are smart contracts risk. But again, I didn't stake for a year after the collapse because I had a huge PTSD overall. So that was a big, big problem for me staking. I was so afraid, and everybody was on the market. There was outflows everywhere in that sense, from what I was seeing. But this doesn't mean like right now that the future is going to be still like that. I definitely think there is going to be more potential for basically Ethereum to grow, to rise up. And that's where I find the real excitement, right? So that is huge, huge news overall for anyone interested in staking, is that these better times are ahead for most people, and that is the big news. So should you stake Ethereum 2.0 on the exchanges? Again, if the exchange goes bankrupt, you might not be getting your crypto back, but you will have bigger problems. A lot of people, like say if Coinbase goes bankrupt, they won't be getting their money back. Again, if Coinbase goes bankrupt, you could probably buy it for pennies. And here you can also have like 1.2%. You can have all kinds of rewards in that sense. And I will keep you guys updated with more news on that if you guys want to be kept up to date. Be sure to smash that like button. So staking, yes or no? My short answer is if you're not experienced with staking, you should definitely use Bybit staking. I know they take a fee, but they will basically charge you that fee for profit, even every single other crypto, and give you in return a reward for it. So that's where these crypto staking profits are coming from. They're giving you basically a reward in that sense. But again, I will keep you guys updated with more news like this. If you guys want to be kept up to date, smash that like button, and peace everyone.